Imagine needing to prove who you are or what permissions you have, but without constantly asking a central authority. What if all the necessary proof could travel with you, securely and efficiently, ready to be verified instantly anywhere you go? A JSON Web Token, or JWT, achieves self-containment by bundling essential information into a compact, digitally signed package. This package can then be verified independently by any party that holds the correct secret key, without needing to query a central database or stateful session store. The core mechanism lies in its three distinct parts: the header, the payload, and the signature. Both the header and the payload are JSON objects that are then base 60 for URL encoded. The header typically specifies the type of token, which is JWT, and the cryptographic algorithm used for signing. The payload, often called the claims, carries the actual data about the entity, such as user ID, roles, or expiration times. Importantly, these first two parts are just encoded, not encrypted, meaning their content is readable by anyone. The magic of self-containment truly happens with the third part, the signature, which ensures the integrity and authenticity of the token. When a server issues a JWT, it takes the encoded header, the encoded payload, and a secret key known only to the issuing server and the verifying server. It then applies a cryptographic hashing algorithm, as specified in the header, to these combined pieces. The result is a unique signature that gets appended to the token. When another server receives this token, it can perform the exact same hashing process with the received header, payload, and its own copy of the secret key. If the newly computed signature matches the signature provided in the token, the server can be absolutely confident that the token's header and payload have not been altered since they were originally issued, making the data trustworthy without any external lookups. This design offers a significant advantage, particularly for building stateless authentication systems. Instead of storing session information on the server and constantly checking it, a server can simply verify the JWT's signature. This drastically reduces the server's load and simplifies horizontal scaling, as any server in a cluster can validate the token independently. This makes applications more efficient and resilient, as there is no single point of failure related to session management. Ultimately, the self-contained nature of a JWT comes down to the cryptographic binding of its data to a verifiable signature. This means that a token is not just a carrier of information, it is also its own proof of integrity and authenticity. It transforms what might otherwise be a simple, insecure message into a trusted assertion that can be relied upon across distributed systems, empowering seamless and secure communication without requiring constant interaction with the issuing authority.
If this helps you code smarter, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.